2, 1, crescendo.
Qualification match number 30 officially underway here on Galileo. We got a handful of notes being scored on either side of this field. 6002 dropping one into the back of the Red Alliance speaker. Their partner 1732 heading towards the middle line to get one in at the buzzer. We're 29-24 in favor of the Red Alliance, moving into our teleoperated period. First over is 6002 to drop off a note to that Red Alliance speaker. 1732 right behind him in the amp. They're racing on back and over to try to line themselves up and drop one in. Over back on the Blue Alliance side of the field, 1241 and their partner 1676 seem to be in a little bit of a traffic jam over on the Blue Alliance source. Red Alliance is currently amplified and so is Blue. Remember, notes are worth 5 points apiece during amplification, and we're going to see who's going to make the most of it. 33-22, Eagle Evolution getting one in right at that end of the amplification. Make those 5 points count. Every last one does. 1241 heading over to the Blue Alliance amp to sink one down and in. Their partners sinking one in as we are currently amplified. We got a note hanging out on top of the Blue Alliance speaker, sadly not inside. 1676, the Pascack Pioneers launching one in. Blue Alliance jumps ahead by 3 points, but Red Alliance takes it right back under amplification. We are 60-66 with about a minute left to go in this match. Plenty of time for notes to be scored. Plenty of opportunities for these teams to continue their amplification and extend their bonus. Blue Alliance back to being amplified in hopes of making that lead a little shorter. Jumping ahead is Blue. We are back and forth this entire match, less than 5 points. Constantly separating these two teams. Red Alliance takes their amplification back in order to keep on going. 1732, the Hilltopper Robotics, trying to make the most of it. We are 85-83 with about 30 seconds left to go. Plenty of time. Teams are going to shift their focus over to the stage and see who's going to climb on top. A last second Blue Alliance amplification. We're going to see if that's going to make the difference for them. We are 90-90 going into our final 20 seconds. We got a couple of robots up in the air for the Blue Alliance. Red Alliance looking to do the same as well. Human players coming alive. One up and off for the human player of Blue. Looks like we got a couple of traps for the Blue Alliance. Can Red Alliance do the same as time expires? We got robots up in the air. We got notes in the trap and 3. Taking the win with the score of 114-105. Blue Alliance walking home with all 4 ranking points. 2 for the win, 1 for the melody, 1 for the ensemble. Red Alliance not going home empty-handed either. They've got 1 for the melody and 1 for the ensemble. Qualification match number 3.